Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset AirPods from previous owner. So guys, if you have got the AirPods and you want to reset it from the previous owner, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply remove your AirPods from the previous device where you have been using AirPods on device in anywhere. Like here I am going to settings and then go to Bluetooth, and then here is my AirPods. Go to them, and now you have to simply forget this device for one time if you want to remove it from the previous owner. So guys, here you can see you have to simply get that device, and after this you have to simply tap on forget this device and remove the AirPods from the previous owner from here. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply open the case of your AirPods and put your AirPods in the case and open the case, and then you have to close the case and then press and hold the button behind the case for 30 seconds. So guys, here you can see the button. You have to simply press and hold this button for 30 seconds, and after this the AirPod will be reset from the previous owner. So guys, you can see this. You can easily reset your AirPods to factory settings from this button. So guys, in this way you can also reset your AirPods from the previous owner and you can easily use them for your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.